Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a drawing studio. First, identify a dedicated area in your home that offers good natural light, ideally from the north. Proper ventilation is crucial, especially if you plan to use solvents or sprays, so consider a window or air purifier. Aim for at least 60 square feet to allow comfortable movement and storage. Next, let's talk equipment. A sturdy easel or a dedicated drawing table is fundamental for comfortable work. Pair this with an ergonomic chair that supports your back during long creative sessions. Don't forget storage. Shelves, drawers, or rolling carts will keep your pencils, paints, and paper organized and easily accessible. Good lighting is paramount. Supplement natural light with artificial sources like daylight-balanced LED lamps, ensuring even illumination. Position your main light source to minimize shadows on your drawing surface, typically from the side or above. Finally, adjust your easel height and chair to maintain good posture, preventing discomfort during hours of focused work. To complete your studio, gather your essential materials: a range of pencils, quality paper, and erasers. Keep your space tidy. A clean studio fosters a clear mind and better workflow. Regularly clean brushes, wipe down surfaces, and put supplies away after each session. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals to help you explore new artistic horizons and learn on the go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.